Cell phone time!
Woo! Cell phones!
So, ladies and gentlemen, it has been asked of us to clarify when is it okay for us to have students use cell phones. We have recognized that lately students have been kind of pushing buttons and pushing the limits. They've had their cell phones out more, and you've been hearing us you've been hearing Courtney anyway in the mornings talk about those needing to be somewhere else. And that is because kids are trying to do it, but the rules have not changed. So clarifying when we can use a cell phone in the classroom. So think about it this way. If the cell phone is going to enhance the learning experience, in other words, kids might learn more as a result of something that you're doing with the electronic device, or it's going to add academic value to the assignment, that is a good time to use an electronic device. Okay?
Some examples might be, some of you have used Kahoot, which is a program where students can use their device to input answers and see immediate results back on the computer screen. Another example might be you're doing a science experiment, you'd like students to tape their projects. They could either write about it and or tweak and change it based on the scientific process. Those would be two examples of how you might use technology in your classroom.
Yes. I know that with the 2-hour block of time, I've heard a few teachers, science teachers, talk about taking kids outside. The important thing will be, if an electronic device is going to be used, we want clear procedures. And so one of the things that we're going to ask your procedure to include, what should students be expected to do before and after using the cell phone? In other words, where are they going to be located? We don't want them in pockets, so you might have them all put their cell phones at the front of the desk or in the basket. Or if you're headed outside, they're in a basket until the time in which the student is going to use that cell phone or that electronic device. So that's one piece of the procedure that needs to be in place.
Also, if it does involve taking pictures or videotaping an image, we ask that you have clear expectations of proximity of other students. So for example, I might be videotaping my project on one end of the room and have the rest of the students working on the other. Our goal again with that is that students that are videotaping or taking pictures don't have anyone else in their picture or video. And again, it's just that privacy act that we must respect all students in the building of when and how pictures are taken.
Right. So the last part of the procedure would be, we would like you to ask Courtney or myself, or not to ask, but to let us know that you're going to use it, what your intention is, what it is you're hoping kids will get out of the experience, and also quickly share with us your procedures. We hope that by doing this, kids will get the message of when you can and cannot have the cell phone, because otherwise it should be in the box, or it should be the basket, or it should be in their locker. There are no other reasons for cell phones to be in pockets or anything else. And if we follow this procedure, we explain to kids why we have to have it, and it is for privacy rights, and also to make sure that they don't get in the way of learning, then we hope that more kids will follow the expectations.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the last thing that we just wanted to mention is that we ask at this point to keep messages clear to students that students do not use cell phones as a reward for free time in classrooms. Again, we ask that you follow the procedures that cell phones really are for academic enhancing in learning. So I think that's it. Go technology.
Go technology, and if you do have questions, please let us know.
Yep.